Hello, Sean here from Evolution Fitness, and in this video we're going to be covering some dynamic stretches targeting your legs specifically. Now you don't need any equipment, so you can do this anywhere at any time. Now this is a great routine if you're just about to start squatting or deadlifting or lunging or doing any exercises involving your legs. Start by lying down on the ground, feet shoulder width apart and your shoulders firmly flat on the ground. Squeeze your core tight and make sure that you're pushing your hips nice and high in the air. Pause at the top of that movement for a second and back down. Okay, you're going to rep that out. 10 to 15 reps should be enough. Make sure you're really pushing through your hips here, okay? You're not just slinging your back into the air. Try not to hyperextend. You want to be straight at the top of that movement from your shoulders through to your knee. Okay, from there, you're going to pop one foot over your knee. Single leg glute bridges. Make sure you keep your hips neutral. Same again, 10 to 15 reps either side. This is a brilliant exercise to get your glutes activated and fired up. The second exercise in this routine is lunges. Take a big step forward here. Keep your core nice and tight, pull your shoulders back and make sure the back's straight. Try and keep all the weight in that front heel. Don't let your knee collapse in and keep your posture upright. Now it's important that your knee isn't coming too far over that toe, okay? It's going to put a lot of pressure in that knee. If you're struggling to do that, then you're probably taking steps that are a little bit too short for you, so lengthen that stride. Again, 10 reps either leg and then moving on to the squats. Now the squats can be quite a complex movement, okay? So there's a few things to think about. Again, back nice and straight, core engaged. Really focus on pushing your hips backwards. So you're breaking from the hips. Don't worry about bending your knees too much. Just force those hips backwards. Sit into that hole. Again, trying to keep your knees behind your toes as much as possible. Don't let them collapse inwards. Depth is also really important here, okay? So try and build your way up nice and slowly, increasing that range of motion each time. Ultimately, you want to be able to get your hips lower than your knees, and that's a perfect depth squat. That's where your glutes are going to get activated. And there you have it, a full dynamic stretching routine to get yourself fired up for a session. Thanks again. Make sure you go and check us out on Instagram and Facebook. See you soon.